Students, today we are going to take further information about useful and harmful microbes. Today we are going to study about spread and prevention of diseases. Now today we are going to study about the diseases which are caused by virus. Now in this slide you can see HIV virus. HIV stands for human immunovirus, and HIV is going to cause the disease called as an AIDS. Now what is the meaning of AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Now let's see what are the symptoms of AIDS. In AIDS, the person suffers the following symptoms: swollen lymph nodes म्हणजे लसिका सुजतात, that is followed by fever, rash and muscle aches. म्हणजे त्या व्यक्तीला ताप येतो, रॅश म्हणजे पुरळ येते आणि मसल एक होऊ शकतो. त्याचबरोबर त्या व्यक्तींना नाईट स्वेट्सचाही त्रास होतो, म्हणजे रात्रीच्या वेळेला दरदरून घाम येणे. माउथ अल्सर्स, फॅटिग अँड चिल्स म्हणजे अत्यंत थकवा जाणवणे आणि चिल्स म्हणजे थंडी वाजणे. So these are all the symptoms which could be seen in AIDS. Then what is the preventive measures? Early diagnosis and assessment. Then never share needles and use sterile needles. एकाने वापरलेले इंजेक्शन्स आपण वापरायचे नाहीत. Then early treatment of HIV infected pregnant women. HIV infected mothers should feed their baby formula milk. So these are all the preventive measures of AIDS. Now we are going to study the next type of disease, that is hepatitis. Now hepatitis is caused by hepatitis virus. Hepatitis म्हणजे काय तर काविळाचे प्रकार. Now hepatitis is going to affect the main organ that is called as an liver. Now hepatitis is divided into 5 types: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D and hepatitis E. These all 5 types of hepatitis is caused by viruses. Hepatitis A is caused by HAV, whereas hepatitis B is caused by HBV, hepatitis C is caused by HCV, and hepatitis D is caused by HDV, whereas hepatitis E is caused by HEV. Now out of these 5 types, the first type, hepatitis A, is caused by contaminated food and water. म्हणजेच दूषित अन्न आणि दूषित पाण्यामुळे होणारा हा आजार आहे, हिपॅटायटिस ए फक्त. बाकी सर्व जे आहेत ते दूषित रक्तापासून होऊ शकतील, किंवा ज्या व्यक्तींना हिपॅटायटिस बी, सी, डी, ई झालेलं असेल अशा व्यक्तींमार्फत इतर व्यक्तींना ते त्यांच्या संपर्कात येणारे इतर व्यक्ती जे असतील ब्लड टू ब्लड कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये त्यांना होऊ शकेल. नाउ व्हॉट इज द प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेजर फॉर हिपॅटायटिस ए? वी शूड ड्रिंक boiled and clean filtered water, and there should be proper storage of food. Whereas all other hepatitis should be prevented. That means how we can prevent? We should not come in blood to blood contact with such type of persons. The third type of disease is caused by virus, and the name of that disease is influenza. Now influenza is a respiratory disease. What is the mode of infection? The mode of infection will be contact with infected person. Now what are the symptoms? Fever, cough, then sore throat, body ache, etc. Now how we can prevent influenza? By taking personal hygiene, म्हणजे वैयक्तिक स्वच्छता ठेवणे, किंवा ज्या व्यक्तीने इन्फ्लुएन्झा झालेलं असेल त्यांच्या डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये न येणे. Now the next type of disease caused by virus is measles and chickenpox. Now measles म्हणजेच गोवर आणि चिकनपॉक्स म्हणजे कांजळ्या. आता या दोन्हीतला फरक आपण थोडक्यात जाणून घेऊया, त्यांचे सिम्पटम्स आपण जाणून घेऊया. चिकनपॉक्सचे काय सिम्पटम्स असू शकतील? व्हॉट आर द सिम्पटम्स? फीवर, हेडेक, tiredness or fatigue, रेड स्पॉट्स फर्स्ट appear on the chest, face and back म्हणजे लाल पुरळ किंवा लाल चट्टे येणे. डिक्रीज ॲपिटाईट भूक न लागणे. देन व्हॉट आर द सिम्पटम्स ऑफ मीजल्स? फीवर, रेड ब्लॉची रॅश, रेड इन्फ्लेम्ड आईज म्हणजे डोळे लाल होणे आणि जळजळणे, रनी नोज नाक सतत वाहणे, hacking cough and sore throat. These are all the symptoms of measles. Now what preventive measures can you take? We should take proper vaccination. Then we should drink boiled and clean water, and we should avoid roadside foodstuffs. We should eat clean food. These are the preventive measures of chickenpox and measles. The next type of disease is bird flu. Now what is a bird flu? Bird flu is an infectious disease in birds caused by avian influenza type A virus. Now what are the symptoms, or how does it spread from one bird to another? Direct contact with nasal and respiratory secretions from infected birds. म्हणजे ज्या बर्डला बर्ड फ्लू झालेलं असेल त्याच्या नेसल सिक्रेशन्स म्हणजे नाकातला स्त्राव जो असतो त्याच्यामार्फत इतर पक्ष्यांना किंवा इतर कोंबड्यांमध्ये तो आजार पसरू शकतो. सो दिस इज कॉज्ड बाय वन टाईप ऑफ व्हायरस. The next type of disease is swine flu. It is caused by H1N1 virus. It is a type of influenza virus that affects pigs. That means, therefore it is called as a swine flu. It can pass to humans through contact or air contamination. And what are the symptoms? It includes fever, nausea and sore throat. Nausea means vomiting. So these are the symptoms of swine flu. Next type of disease, that is called as an dengue. Now dengue is caused by female mosquito, that is Aedes aegypti. When it bites, then we can have different types of dengue symptoms. Now what are the symptoms? Rashes may be seen on the body. Then there will be sudden onset of high fever, अचानकपणे थंडी वाजून ताप येणं, pain behind the eyes, stomach pain, headache, severe headache, vomiting, diarrhea means loose motions, muscles and joint pain. So these are the symptoms of dengue. Then what preventive measures can we take? Cleanliness of the surrounding is very very important. We should prevent stagnation of water. म्हणजे पाणी साचेल अशा पद्धतीने आपण पाणी साचवायचं नाही. अँड मॉस्किटो कंट्रोल म्हणजे डासांची उत्पत्ती होणार नाही याची आपण काळजी घ्यायची आहे. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण काही आजारांविषयी इथे माहिती घेतलेली आहे. टुडे वी हॅड स्टडीड अबाउट डिसीजेस कॉज्ड बाय डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ व्हायरसेस. देअर प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेजर्स ऑल्सो वी हॅड स्टडीड. सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच.